I just spoke to a top-rated plus freelancer and agency owner in Upwork. She's done $4,000 per month on average over 7 years as a full-stack developer with a team, which doesn't make a lot of sense to me. So I dug a little bit deeper, and here's what happened. Her number one problem was that she took cheap clients because some people told her to offer services cheap to get more leads. One of her leads somehow negotiated her down from $25 an hour to $10 an hour. None of these things make sense to me. Why is it so low? $25 an hour is already low. $10 an hour is crazy and happened a bunch of times. So she just started offering cheap services for 7 years. Then she had to work for 800 hours at $10 an hour for one of the clients as a business owner, which again makes no sense. Imagine the opportunity cost for a full stack developer over 7 years getting screwed over by clients like this. The reason I'm telling you this is not to make fun of the freelancer. Of course, she's just doing what she's doing. Instead of accepting the terrible offer from the client, here's the system solution she could have used to do lead generation. These days, you need to spend $1,500 on Upwork to do proper lead generation. If you can't, just don't use Upwork. Seems like a lot, but not if you sell a proper offer with lifetime value of, tens of thousands of dollars, for example, which is not that much on Upwork, by the way. Like, you can sell marketing or dev services with lifetime value of $50,000 on Upwork if you're at an intermediate level. So $1,500 a month on Upwork for lead gen is not that much. A proper offer on Upwork is a solution offer, not your time in exchange for money offer because you know a tech or marketing skill. If your lead gen and sales processes are in place properly, you don't need to compromise on client quality or budget. So these problems of charging too little or having a client that negotiates you down should never occur. Furthermore, high in demand tech and marketing skills are never cheap, even if you're based outside of EU or North America. I'm not saying you can charge whatever at all times. What I'm saying is it makes no sense to take cheap work if you're capable of doing serious projects and deliver serious results in high demand fields. A top-rated or top-rated plus account offering a high-in-demand service should be making multiple six figures a year on Upwork, not scraping by with small and tiny projects. Like, the only reason to ever take a smaller project is if it's specifically on paper and in words on the sales call specifically will lead to a bigger project because they're testing you out. Playing the race to the bottom with everyone else is the opposite of running a proper funnel on Upwork or anywhere else. What I suggest for people like this, like the person from the example, which is a real person, is to focus on clients that resemble their top prior clients, or at the very least, the top clients that are findable with any given product market fit on Upwork. Meaning either base new client marketing and acquisition on past best clients or best clients available and visible on a daily basis on the platform who are looking for a fairly well-defined solution. Need help with this? Chat to me via businessmeta.com or watch more lead gen and sales videos for Upwork pros. You can find them here in the description on YouTube. So see you in the next video.